Museum of Art. This is the smallest gallery that we have. It is the most intimate and the most special and amazing art. Are you ready?
Yes.
We're going to start over here with this painting. This one is called Mr. Skull, and it is by Jaden Juntet. Now let me tell you, all of the artists in this room that are represented by these special, fabulous paintings, they are all local Tasmanians. Every one of them. This is Jaden Juntet. Enjoy. Take a look at it. See.
Beautiful.
Princess. This is by Tulsi Shaw and Jenny Kostecki. Inspired by their deep imagination.
Once upon a starry, starry galaxy, there lived a moon wizard who shone bright in the sky. And there lived a unicorn princess who sailed throughout the stars. Hello, unicorn princess.
Hello, wizard.
They became friends quickly. But one day, the moon wizard's wicked stepmother cast a spell on him, and he turned to the unicorn princess and said, "Bippity boppity boo, I will cast a spell on you, and you will live forever with me on the moon." But the unicorn princess was far too clever, and she said,
"Bippity boppity boo, I will run away from you."
Oh, so we just get more and more exciting as we go. You never know what is going to happen at the Harwood Museum of Art. The next one that we have, and this one right here, you see, let me step out of the way. This is called Sparkles by Eleanor Rael, and it is inspired by Monique's water lilies.
yeah.
Woo!